Hi students, John here. Chapter 1 Application of Matrices and Determinants, Exercise 1.3. So question number 5. The prices of three commodities A, B, C are X, Y, Z per units respectively. A person P purchases 4 units of B and sells 2 units of A and 5 units of C. Then person Q purchases 2 units of C and sells 3 units of A and 1 unit of B. Then person R purchases 1 unit of A and sells 3 units of B and 1 unit of C. In the process, PQR earns the amount 15,000 and 1,000 and 4,000 respectively. Then find the prices per unit of A, B, C using matrix inversion method. So first we must know what is the meaning of purchase and what is the meaning of sales. Purchase means I am going to purchase something, so I'm going to give some money and then I'm going to purchase. So I lost my money, I'm lost அப்படின்றதுனால, so I'm going to give the symbol minus. வாங்குறது அப்படின்னா நம்மளோட மணி போயிடும், so I'm going to give symbol minus. So sales, I'm going to sell something to anybody. Okay, நான் ஒரு பொருளை இன்னொருத்தவங்களுக்கு விற்கிறேன், விற்கும்போது I am going to gain something, so some amount எனக்கு கிடைக்கும், so I'm going to give the symbol plus. So that is we must know that for the commodities A is equal to rupees X per unit, B becomes Y per unit, commodity C becomes Z per unit. So now I am going to apply the condition. Here I am going to take rough data. Purchases 4 units B. B means Y. So purchase means minus. So minus 4Y. Then sales means positive. So plus வந்து A க்கும் C க்கும் வரும். So A becomes 2 units from A. So plus 2 times of A becomes X unit. So X plus 5 units of C plus 5 Z is equal to, we get the amount 15,000. Then second condition, person Q purchases means minus 2 units from C. C means Z. Then sales means plus, so 3 units from A, so 3X, then 1 unit from B plus 1, B can be written as Y is equal to, we get the amount 1,000. Then third one, R purchases 1 unit of A. So purchases means minus 1 unit from A, which means X. Here next, sales means positive, so 3 units from B. So plus 3 units of B becomes Y, then plus 1 unit of C. So 1 unit of C becomes Z is equal to, amount becomes 4,000. So here I am going to arrange the given equation. So first equation, 2x minus 4y plus 5z is equal to 15,000. Then second equation becomes 3x plus 1y, then minus 2z is equal to 1,000. Then third equation becomes minus 1x plus 3y plus 1z is equal to 4,000. So this equation can be written as in the form of matrix. So first I am going to take coefficient of x, 2, 3, minus 1. Then coefficient of y becomes minus 4, 1, 3. Then coefficient of z becomes plus 5, then minus 2, then plus 1. Then xyz matrix, which is equal to constant value I am going to enter into constant matrix. So 15,000, 1,000, then 4,000. So here I am going to give the name for the matrix. So this becomes A matrix. This becomes capital X matrix. This becomes matrix B. Here I need X. So pre-multiple by A inverse. So we get capital X is equal to A inverse into B. So this equation is a matrix inversion methodology formation. So first I'm going to find A inverse. So I'm going to choose A matrix. Then I'm going to find determinant of A matrix. Determinant of A matrix is equal to 2 minus 4 5 3 1 minus 2 minus 1 3 1. Then I'm going to give the symbol plus minus plus which is equal to. So first row மட்டும் expand பண்ணிக்குவோம். So 2 times of 2 rows and columns will be eliminated. So remaining entries 1 minus 2 3 1. Then I'm going to choose minus of 4 determinant becomes minus 4 rows and columns will be eliminated. Then remaining entries 3 minus 1, then minus 2 1, then plus 5 cofactors becomes 3 rows and columns will be eliminated. Here 3 1 minus 1 3 here, which is equal to 2 times of first diagonal minus second diagonal. So 1 ones are 1 minus 3 twos are 6 becomes minus 6. Here comes plus 6. Minus into minus becomes plus 4. Then first diagonal minus second diagonal becomes 3 minus positive. So 1 twos are 2. Here plus 5 of first diagonal minus second diagonal. 3 threes are 9 minus 1 becomes minus 1. Here comes plus 1. Then which is equal to 2 times of 1 plus 6 becomes 7. Then 4 times of 3 minus 2 becomes 1. Then plus 5 times of 9 plus 1 becomes 10, which is equal to 2 sevens are 14. Then 1 fours are 4. Then 5 into 10 becomes 50. So which is equal to 50 plus 4 plus 14 becomes 68 is the determinant of A value. Then I'm going to take A matrix. So now I'm going to find adjoint of A matrix is equal to cofactor of A whole transpose, which means A in இணைக்காரணிக்கு transpose apply பண்ணணும். So now I'm going to use the symbol plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus in the formation நம்ம use பண்ணுவோம். Therefore adjoint of A becomes, here I'm going to use this condition. So first I'm going to write the cofactor of 2. So plus 1 minus 2 3 1. Then I'm going to choose minus 4 rows and columns will be eliminated. Remaining entries 3 minus 1 minus 2 1. Then first row third element 5 rows and columns will be eliminated. So remaining entries 3 1 minus 1 3. Then second row first element 3 rows and columns will be eliminated. Remaining minus 4 5 3 1. Then center element 1 rows and columns will be eliminated. So remaining element corner element 2 5 minus 1 1. Second row third element rows and columns will be eliminated. So remaining entries 2 minus 4 minus 1 3. Then third row first element minus 1 rows and columns will be eliminated. So remaining entries minus 4 5 1 minus 2. Then second row second element 3 rows and columns will be eliminated. So remaining entries 2 3 5 minus 2. Then third row last element rows and columns will be eliminated. So remaining entries 2 minus 4 3 1. Then whole transpose. Next I'm going to minimize, which is equal to first diagonal minus second diagonal. So plus of 1 ones are 1 minus 2 threes are 6 minus 6. Here comes plus 6. Then minus of first diagonal minus second diagonal. So 1 threes are 3 minus minus positive. So 2. Then plus first diagonal minus second diagonal 3 threes are 9 minus 1 into 1 becomes minus 1. Here comes plus 1. Here minus of first diagonal minus second diagonal becomes minus 4 into 1 becomes minus 4, then minus 3 5s are 15, plus of first diagonal minus second diagonal, so 1 2s are 2 minus 5, here comes plus 5, then minus of 2 3s are 6, minus 1 minus 4 becomes plus 4, here plus first diagonal minus second diagonal, so minus 4 minus 2 becomes plus 8, minus of 1 5s are 5, then minus of first diagonal minus second diagonal, so 2 into minus 2 becomes minus 4, minus 3 5s are 15, then plus 1 2s are 2, then minus 3 4s are 12, minus 12, here comes plus 12, then whole transpose, which is equal to plus 1 plus 6 becomes 7, here minus of 3 minus 2 becomes 1, then plus 9 plus 1 becomes 10, here minus of minus 4 minus 15 becomes minus 19, plus 2 plus 5 becomes 7, minus 6 minus 4 becomes 2, plus 8 minus 5 becomes 3, minus 4 minus 15 becomes minus 19, plus 2 plus 12 becomes 14, then whole transpose, which is equal to 7 minus 1 plus 10 minus minus plus 19 plus 7 minus 2 plus 3 plus 19 14 whole transpose. Now I'm going to apply the transpose. Transpose means row change into column, so therefore adjoint of A matrix, which is equal to first row becomes first column, so 7 minus 1 10, second row becomes second column 19, 7 minus 2, then third row becomes third column 3, 19, 14 is the adjoint of A matrix. Next I'm going to find A inverse. A inverse becomes 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A is equal to 1 by determinant of A becomes 68, adjoint of A becomes 7, 19, 3, minus 1, 7, 19, then third row becomes 10, minus 2, 14 is the A inverse matrix. Next I'm going to choose matrix inversion method. X is equal to A inverse B. Here I'm going to substitute A inverse 1 by 68, 7, 19, 3, minus 1, 7, 19, then 10, minus 2, 14. B matrix becomes 15,000, then 1000, then 4000. So first I'm going to take 1000 in matrix 2 outside, so 1000 by 68, here 7 19 3, minus 1 7 19, 10 minus 2 14, so 1000 taking means here remaining value, here 15, here 1, here 4 is there, then which is equal to 1000 by 68. Here I'm going to multiple this matrix, first row multiple by first column, so 7 into 15 becomes 105, then 19 into 1 becomes plus 19, then plus 3 4s are 12, then second row multiple by first column, so minus 1 into 15 becomes minus 15, then 7 into 1 becomes 7, then 19 into 4 becomes plus 76, then third row multiple by third column, so 10 into 15 becomes 150, then minus 2 into 1 becomes minus 2, then 14 into 4 becomes plus 56. So now I'm going to add these values, which is equal to 1000 by 68. So here, so first one 105 plus 19 plus 12 becomes 136. Second one 7 plus 76 becomes 83 minus 15. So third one 150 plus 56 becomes 206 minus 2. So then which is equal to 1000 by 68. Here 136. Next one 83 minus 15 becomes 68. Then 206 minus 2 becomes 204. So next I'm going to divided by 68 inside the matrix. So 1000 into 136 by 68, then 68 by 68, then 204 by 68, which is equal to here 1000. So 168s are 68. Here 2 times of 68 becomes 136. So here 168, 168 will be cancelled. So 1. So here 168s are 68. So 3 times of 68 becomes 204. Here I'm going to multiple 1000. So 2000. Here 1000. Then 3000 is the capital X matrix, which is equal to small xy z matrix. Therefore x becomes x comma y comma z becomes 2000 comma 1000 comma 3000. Therefore the prices of commodities A, B and C are 2000, 1000, 3000 per unit respectively.